Increase your website traffic with our powerful solutions. Dear reader, is your website struggling to attract the traffic it deserves? Are you looking for effective strategies to drive more visitors and boost your online presence? Look no further. We are thrilled to introduce our powerful traffic solutions designed to help you increase website traffic and achieve your online goals. At SEOPANEL, we understand the importance of targeted traffic for the success of your online venture. Whether you're an e-commerce store, a content-driven website, or a service provider, our tailored traffic solutions can provide the boost you need. Here's why you should choose us. 1. Targeted traffic. We specialize in delivering high-quality targeted traffic to your website. Our team of experts will analyze your niche, target audience, and business objectives to create a customized traffic strategy that drives visitors who are genuinely interested in what you offer. Say goodbye to irrelevant traffic and hello to engaged users. 2. Diverse channels. We leverage a wide range of channels and techniques to drive traffic to your website. From search engine optimization, SEO, and pay-per-click, PPC, advertising to social media marketing and content promotion, we employ a holistic approach to ensure maximum visibility and reach across various platforms. 3. Scalable Solutions. Whether you're a small startup, a growing business, or an established enterprise, our traffic solutions are scalable to meet your evolving needs. We understand that your business may change over time, and we are committed to adapting our strategies accordingly, ensuring a continuous flow of traffic to support your growth. 4. Analytics and reporting. We believe in transparency and accountability. With our advanced analytics tools and detailed reporting, you'll have access to key metrics, insights, and performance data. This allows you to track the effectiveness of our traffic solutions, make informed decisions, and optimize your website for even better results. Don't let your website remain buried in the depths of the internet. It's time to take action and drive targeted traffic to your virtual doorstep. Visit our website, SEOPanel.com, or contact our team at info@seopanel.com to discuss your specific needs and explore how our traffic solutions can benefit your business.